All. This is Jai Silan from Vailtech Multitech Engineering College, and my batchmates are Praveen and Kishan. We are from IT department. We are doing a project under guidance of Mr. S. Manikandan, assistant professors of Multitech College. So our project title is Android application based GSM power management and conservation in building. So the main aim of a project is to consume power, which is lagging in nowadays life. So this is the abstract of a project. The project monitors each and every home appliance individually for knowing their power consumption using their mobiles to, and also to save the electric power that acts as a primary source of energy. We have added the additional features such as a short circuit detector and fire accidents and so on. It can be operated by the Android mobile users as well as the normal mobile users. So it will be very easy for the users to monitor their home appliances, and it can be operated by the users easily from anywhere outside the world because it has been operated to GSM. While seeing in the previous project, it is being used using the web servers, which won't be very efficient, and only limited. Only it can be operated to certain distance. So our project will be so efficient, which consumes power and make efficient for users today's life. This is the system architecture of a project, where you can see the PIC microcontroller, LCD display, RPS, short circuit detector, temperature sensor, GSM, relays, load, and so let us see the kit, prototype kit, which have been implemented now. This is a project which we have been implemented. This is the PIC microcontroller 16F887, which controls the overall appliances, and this is the LCD display, which displays the current situation of the appliances, and this is the AC power. These are the relays, and these are load 1 and load 2. And if the user is not inside the premises, the GSM sends a message to the user mobile. This is the GSM kit, and the SIM which we have been used. This is the SIM which have been used, and this is the GSM kit, and it sends a message, and the user can operate the home appliances from anywhere outside the premises. That's all about the project, and this is a coding. And the main advantage of a project is power has been consumed. It is simple to use. Security is provided. Security means only the certain users can use the appliances, so that no unauthenticated person cannot access home appliances from outside this. And applications, it is being used in homes, shops, and wherever it is necessary, it can be implemented. Finally, coming to the conclusion, this invention helps in monitoring all the electrical appliances used in homes and large buildings. Usage of power can be minimized, and hence energy can be conserved using an effective and intelligent approach. The entire control is achieved through Android application in smartphones and SMS based system in basic mobiles. Thank you.